So I recently figured out how to make more money by canceling a service that I was using because I figured out how I can do it better and especially for free. And with this service, you can create extremely powerful automations where you can create an amazing experience and promote different affiliate offers at the same time. And so in this video, I will be introducing you to this special service. I will show you how to use it, and I will show you how you can make money using this amazing app without paying a single cent for it. Alright guys, so what we are looking to do is we are looking to promote various offers using a new method. Essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be customizing the user experience, okay? We're not just going to be saying to them, hey, promote this or click here or do this. We're actually going to improve the user experience by customizing. And so take a look at this diagram here. We have a user. We are going to qualify them with a Google survey, okay? We're essentially going to ask them, hey, can you tell us a little bit about yourself, what kind of offers that you like, and why should we consider you for this awesome free service? One thing that you have to understand, and this is very, very important, is that qualification is crucial if you want to improve your conversions, okay? And what exactly is qualification? When you qualify a user, you're basically telling a user, okay, we will do it, we will help you out, we will do you a favor, but you have to let us know why. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Give us a reason, give us a good reason why you feel that we should be sending you these special offers, okay? And obviously these special offers are going to be CPA marketing offers. They could be affiliate offers. In this video, in this tutorial, we are going to be promoting CPA marketing offers, especially from MaxBounty, but this works regardless if you're a member of MaxBounty or not. The most important thing is this qualification. For that, we're going to be using the free Google survey tool. It's 100% free. You don't have to pay anything for it. And how this is going to work, we're going to create a special survey. We are going to send them a unique offer because in this survey, we're going to ask them, what kind of offers do you like? We're also going to ask them a bunch of other questions. And based on those responses, we're going to follow up with the specific offers that they asked for. Okay, and this is going to be a customized approach. And we're going to respond them exactly what they wanted. And so typically you need to pay a lot of money for a tool like this. Maybe you need to hire a developer, you need to write code, you need to do a lot of things. But in this video, I'm going to show you a tool that you can start using right now because this tool is free for you to use. It has a generous free plan and you can get started and start doing these amazing customizations, and you can combine it with Google Survey. And this tool is called Integromat. This is an amazing tool. I'm actually using it for my own automations, for my own logic that's unrelated to what I'm talking about now. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up so that you create this amazing flow. And later on, I'm going to show you how you can promote these offers in a very unique and non-intrusive way. All right, so the first thing you have to do is you have to go to Google Forms, basically Google Forms, and create a new form. And this is what the form basically is going to look like. Make money and win prizes right from your own home, okay? And the idea here is that we're going to have a couple of questions. I only have 2 questions right now. You can create more questions. You can customize it as much as you want. It's really up to you. Google Forms is a 100% free tools. You can start using it right away. Very, very easy. And so what I have here is I have a title and I have a description. Fill out this form and receive offers tailored just for you. This is very important because we're actually taking the user's interest into account, right? So we have their email address, obviously, because we need to email them and then we say, what kind of offers do you want, right? And we have 3 types of offers. You can have more, you can have less. It's totally customizable, as I'm going to show you in a second. And so the options I have right now is work from home offers, surveys, and sweepstakes. You can add more, but you understand that idea. And then I have another question. Why do you feel we should send you these exclusive offers? These exclusive offers. And this is important because when you write a question like that, you're basically getting the visitor to prove themselves And when somebody proves themselves for anything, it costs a lot more. There's more value to whatever they're about to receive. And so when we ask them to tell them, hey, why should we be sending you these offers to you and not to somebody else? It makes the whole experience a lot more valuable. It doesn't feel like, okay, we're ready to send these offers all over the internet. We're ready to spam, millions and billions of people, and whoever clicks. No, we are making it a unique experience. And so this is very important. And they're gonna fill out. And so when you're done, you're gonna go to the responses tab and you're gonna tie it with a sheet. And so when they're gonna be filling out the responses, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna see results here. This is actually one field. So we have 3 fields: 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 4 fields: timestamp, email address, what kind of offers you want, and why should you fill, right? And so when they fill it out, let me show you what I mean. So if I go in here and I click on send, and I click on this link, I shorten this URL and I copy it and I basically open it. I open it and fill it out. So I'm gonna open it in a new tab and I'm gonna fill it out, and I'm gonna enter my email address, let's say james@james.com, and I want surveys. And then I say like, well, I recently lost my job and I would like to make money from home, right? Whatever the reason is, it's gonna be different for each individual. We're gonna click on submit. And once you do that, thanks for submitting your contact info. This is customizable. You can customize that as well. I can show you in a second. We're gonna go in here and guess what you see? You see right away a new row in this Google Sheet, okay? And these are the responses. And then later on, we're gonna essentially take each of these responses as they're coming in, and we are gonna send them unique offers, multiple offers, okay? And so let me quickly show you how you can customize that end page, the thank you page is what it's called. You click on the settings and you go to presentation, and there's a confirmation message. And speaking of settings, you want the general, you want collect email addresses. You want to uncheck all of this. Presentation, you want to uncheck all of this, and then you just want to specify something. So it could be thanks for applying to our special offer program or something like this. You can have that. And then that's it. Then you click on save. Then what you have to do is click on send. You're going to click on this link. You're going to shorten the URL. And now you have the URL. You can basically share it. So now we've done one half of the puzzle, okay? The second half of the puzzle is how we're actually going to be sending these offers. And for that, I need you to go back to our sheet, right? Whenever you're going to create this form, it's going to create a Google Sheet. What you want to do is you want to create a new tab, okay? And this new tab is going to be called offers. And in this tab, you're going to call it whatever you want. I called it MaxBounty offers. And we are going to list the offers here. So for instance, offer name could be survey 1, sweepstakes 1, and then maybe, email submits 1, something else. Email submits 1. Offer description is, I'm just going to fill some random stuff here. That's 3. Offer type is survey, sweeps, and then email. This is going to be email, okay? This is very important for the offer type because we're essentially going to be picking the offers depending on the offer type. And then you have the affiliate URL. And so the way typically you want to do it is you want to go to your MaxBounty dashboard and you want to essentially go, let's say sweepstakes. You're going to pick United States, and that is kind of what I choose to advertise to the market. We're going to pick United States. We're going to choose approve to run, and we're going to apply search options. And then you can go down the list, pick an offer, find the description, find the name of the offer, build yourself a link, and you're going to be filling out this page. So let's say this is news.com, this is yahoo.com, and this is tesla.com. Something very simple, right? Just to give you an idea. And now we have all of these offers. And so as the response is going to be coming in, we're going to have a workflow that's going to pick all of these offers by the offer type, depending on what the user specified. And right now, I'm going to show you how you can build this automation. This is the best part of the video because you can do so many things with this. And so let's go to this tool. Let me show you one of my automations. This is an automation that I have right now. This is for my email list stuff. As you can see, this automation has been running. Last it ran on this time. This time it's been running for a while. We also have stats. This is how it had 14 operations, etc., etc. This is from one of my email accounts. And so we're going to basically we're going to go in scenarios. This is a scenario. We're going to click on scenario, and I have one scenario here, and I started working on a new scenario. As you can see, this is scenario is active. And we're essentially going to build a brand new scenario, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So once you click on this, you're not going to have all of this. We're going to delete all of this here just so that you understand how to do it from scratch. And this is the best part because you can do so many things for absolutely free. So if you're trying to save money, this is going to be an amazing method for you to really get started, all right? Now, what's the first thing that you need? We need something called a trigger. And a trigger is an event that happens that fires up this workflow. The trigger we're looking for in this case is a new row here. When somebody fills out the sweepstakes, we want it to be triggered because right away we want to send the offers to them. We can also offer a delay, so we don't have to do it right away. We can send it in X amount of minutes, etc., etc. And so we're going to go back to our workflow here, our integration, our scenario. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on here and we're going to choose a module. And in this case, we're going to choose Google Sheets and we're going to choose watch rows. And this watches for new rows. As soon as there's a new row in a specific spreadsheet, it's going to fire this workflow. This is super simple to do. The first thing you have to do is you have to add a connection, okay? I already have a connection, but I want to add a new connection, okay? And so once you create a connection, it's going to open up the screen and it's going to ask you to choose your Google account. We're going to choose the Google account, and that way you can see the spreadsheets you have in there and you can pick the right spreadsheet. So we have this here. I'm going to pick my spreadsheet. I have a bunch of spreadsheets here. We're going to pick this one, MaxBounty offers. And remember, I have 2 sheets in that spreadsheet. So we're going to pick responses, okay? Table contains headers, yes. Row with headers, this is the first row, A1 to Z1. And then the maximum number of results to be worked with during one execution. We're going to pick one result because we want to pick the next user. We want to do it one user at a time. And so we're going to click OK. The next thing that we want to do is we want to fire another workflow that looks at the other Google Sheet and looks at the different offers that we have so that it can send these offers of that specified type to the user that submitted the form. And for that, you need to click on plus. You need to click on Google Sheets again. And what we want to do is we want to search rows, okay? Because we want to find specific rows to what the user asked for. We don't want them to send all the rows. We're going to go back to my Google Sheets here. We're going to pick MaxBounty offers. We're going to pick the other sheet now. We're going to pick offers. Table contains headers, yes, column range, everything. And we need to filter. So we're going to filter by offer type. Offer type equals to the first one. Remember, we picked that first row. What kind of offers do you want? And so what we are doing is we're basically filtering offer type to what kind of offers do you want. So this is C here, and that's exactly what we want. So once we pick that equal to, we want this to be equal to offer type is the one that's in the second sheet. Is going to be equal to the offer type that they picked, that they initially picked. And so we have this. That's all. We don't need, we can sort them, we can order them. Now, when you're setting up, looking at the offers that we are going to be sending to this lead, there's a couple of things that you can do. Obviously, you can send all the offers. This is one option because there could be multiple offers of the same type. So if we go to this offers, right now we have one offer of each type. We have one survey, we have one sweeps, we have one email. Obviously, we can have 10 of each. We can have 10 surveys, 10 sweeps, 10 emails. For the purpose of this video, we're only going to be sending one offer that they asked for. Later on, I will show you how to send multiple offers as well. And so if we go to our integration, we are going to specify one. Maximum number of return rows, we want one, just to keep things very, very simple. And right now, we are almost done. We are watching the new responses, and we are going to be sending the type of offer that they asked for. The next thing that you want to add a new module, and you want to add the email module. And for testing, I'm going to do send me an email so that I can see how it's tested. And then I'm going to show you how you can send an email to the user as well. So for instance, this is my own email. Hey, here are your offers. And then the content is going to be the offer that they asked for. So the content, we're going to go in here. This is Google Sheets search rows. This is that last one. And what we want to do is we want to send them, this is the offer name, offer description, and the URL. And obviously you can specify something. Here you go. This is the offer. Here's the offer you asked for. Here, and we can write something like this. Here's a unique offer just for you. Okay, and it's going to send the offer name, the offer description, and the affiliate URL of the type that they initially asked for. So if they ask for a survey, we're going to send them a survey. If they ask for email submits, we're going to send them email submits. And that is all you have to do. Here are your customized offers. And then we're going to click OK. And now, so I just ran this workflow, and let's go back and check if it ran properly and did what we asked it to do. So if you click on these ones here, you're going to see the data. So here you have my email surveys. What kind of offers do you want? Surveys. This is the response that I did. I'm an amazing person. This is what I entered there. We click on here. It pulled up survey 1. Remember, if we go back to our offers and we look at it here, we are going to go to the offers. We only have one survey, and it's called survey 1, desk 1. And this is exactly what it pulled up. As you can see, survey 1, desk 1 surveys, affiliate URL is news.com. Obviously, that's going to be your affiliate URL. And then the last step, if you open it, we have the email. Here is a unique offer view, survey 1, desk, news.com. You can obviously customize it. I'm just showing you as an example. This is fully customizable. And this workflow is going to run every time they submit a survey. It's going to run. Now, for testing purposes, I'm just sending it to myself. Now, in production, when we're going to be sending it to live users, you simply have to replace this module with another module. And so what you're going to do, you're going to click on plus, you're going to pick email, and you're going to pick send an email, and you're going to fill out all this information. You're going to set up your connection. You can use your Gmail account. It's going to authenticate with your Gmail account. And the recipient, look, let me show you. The recipient email address is going to be in the Google Sheets watch rows. So if we go down for the watch rows, you have their email address. This is what you have to specify. You click on add. For the subject, it's the same one. Here, hey, here is your special offer. And then for the content, you're going to do the exact same thing, except you're going to be looking at the search rows, which is the result. You're going to go offer name, offer description, offer, and the affiliate URL. And you can customize this email. Just make sure you have these tokens there. And so when they submit the form, they're going to get a customized email with the offers that they asked for. And so this is a great, great strategy. And there's a lot of things that you can do. You can do automation. You can do incredible things here. And that is why I wanted to show you this initially. Now, the next thing is, how are we going to be promoting the offers? Very, very simple. Facebook groups. You can just go to Facebook groups. So you can go on Facebook and you can search for work from home. And so here I have a lot of groups. And all you have to do is share this link. If you go to send, you go here, you shorten this URL, and you can say something like, would you like interesting offers customized for you, that where you can make money working from home? And they can pick what they like. They can pick sweepstakes. They can pick sweeps. They could pick service. They could pick emails. And you can add more offers. And you can also, when you are creating the survey, you can click on here and you can add more options for them. So if you add more options, let's say you add e-commerce offers or dating offers. Let's say I add dating here. Let me show you how this works. I put dating here. In that case, I need to go to my offer sheet here and I need to add a new offer dating. Otherwise, if they pick dating, there's not going to be any offers for them to get. And so we have description for dating, and then you're going to have your affiliate URL for dating, MaxBounty affiliate URL for this specific offer. And that way they can pick the offer that they want on the survey, and we are going to send them the exact offer. Now, like I said before, this tool has a generous free plan. I'm on the free plan right now, and I've only used 3% of the generous allowance. And so if you are interested in using this tool, click my link in the description, set it up. Like I said, it's absolutely free, and you can create insane customization options for people, and you can increase the user experience, make it better, get people to feel a lot better. And as a result, you can create a really amazing user experience, because you're going to be different from all the other affiliate marketers who are spamming generic offers. You can actually ask users, what kind of offers would you like? And you can send the exact offers all 100% automatically without doing the manual work and without paying any money for this tool. And so click the link in the description, get started. It's a really, really easy tool to get started, to get it working. If you have any issues, you can rewind the video and go back and look at the steps that I took to get there. All right, guys, so this is the method I wanted to share with you guys today. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or problems setting it up, I would love to help you out. Just leave a question below. If you're unsure about something that I mentioned, leave a question below. I would love to help you out, and I answer all questions. All right, guys, so I really appreciate you watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, if you've gotten any value from this video, smash the like button, leave a comment. You know the drill, you know what to do. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, definitely subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you do not miss new videos. All right, guys, so once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.